In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the future Mac operating system on your Mac. So let's see how we can do this thing. To do this thing, at first we need to join on program. It is called beta. So we can open Safari browser and we can start typing beta.apple.com. So this is the website. We just need to sign in. So if you already have an Apple account, you can use the same account. You just need to click sign up, and then once you sign in, basically by using your Apple ID and password, you will see that you are able to log in your login beta account very easily. So I'm going to close it, but our goal is to install the future macOS on our existing Mac, right? So we just need to click Apple menu, and very shortly it will bring this type of options. From here we have to choose system settings. So to install or to download future operating system of Mac, which is like beta operating system, which is coming very shortly or after few weeks or few months, I don't know, but it will come. So we just need to click Apple update. But here you will not see that option. Generally you need to do one thing. You need to sign in your Apple account first over here, and if you click here it will not bring you anything, so we cannot do anything. So what we need to do, we need to click sign in. Now we need to sign in with our account by using our Apple ID and password. So I'm going to show you what we need to do step by step. So here I'm going to type my Apple ID and password. First I'm going to type my Apple ID. So this is my Apple ID. I just typed it, and then I'm going to press continue button, and here I need to type the password. So I'm going to type the password. Once you type your username password, then you need to verify your Apple account by using the security code or Apple account code. So I'm going to type it over here, which I got already over my phone. So I'm going to type it over here. So this is the code which I got, and if the code is fine, then it will log in our Apple account very shortly. So here I see I am able to log in, and here it is asking to put the password of this Mac. So I'm going to type the password for this Mac, then I'm going to press continue, and very shortly you will see that your account is logged in successful. Now we have to come to general section, and we have to go this section software update, and once we are there, then new menu will be coming like beta updates, which is by default off. So we just need to click here this eye icon, and this type of window will be appeared. From here we have to click this off button again. It will give us three options. So we just need to use this option, macOS 26 public beta. So this is the macOS which is coming after a few weeks probably, or few days. We just need to click here, and this operating system will be chosen from here or selected. We have to press done button to complete this thing, and very shortly other options will be appeared here. Checking for updates, it will give you whether you want to download or install something like that. And here it is showing like macOS 26 beta 6, this is coming. So basically this is the beta version of macOS which is coming very like after a few days or few weeks, something like that. Now we have the option two button on this upgrade tonight or upgrade now. So I'm going to install the macOS which is the 26 beta right now. So I have to choose this option, and if I want to schedule it later, we can press this button. So I just pressed upgrade now, and very shortly it will give us the agreement. We have to press the agree button. Once we press the agree button, it is asking the password for my Mac. I just typed, and then I'm going to press the OK button. Once I press the OK button, we'll see a progress bar will be there, and what it is doing, it is downloading the future operating system, which is right now the beta version macOS 26, this one. And here it is showing how much space is required. So it is showing 8 GB, almost 8 GB space is required, and how long I need to wait to download. Before installing this future operating system for Mac, we just need to download, and then we need to install. So we have to wait till it finished downloading the entire operating system over here. Once your Mac downloaded all the necessary files or the installer and it's ready, you will see this type of restart button, and very shortly your Mac will restart. You don't need to do anything, it will do everything automatically for you. We have to wait till it finished successfully. Here you will see the dark screen with Apple logo and a progress bar. So it will do everything, you don't need to do anything, and once the setup or the installation is successful, then only you will get this type of welcome latest version of macOS. That means the beta version of latest Mac operating system, which is coming few days later, is installed. Then you will find this type of welcome screen, and here is the password prompt where you need to type the password. So I'm going to type the password for my Mac, and then I'm going to hit the enter key of my keyboard, and here it is showing software update complete. Your macOS has been updated to macOS this version of operating system beta. This is beta version, and we have to press the continue button. Here it is showing the analytics. We just need to press the continue, and then after that it is showing like all your files in iCloud. So it is asking whether you want to like upload all your documents, desktop, this type of thing to iCloud. I'm going to uncheck this because I'm not interested right now. So I'm going to press the next button, not next button, this is the continue button, to go to the next step. So I just pressed continue, and here it is showing your Mac is protected by file vault. We can click the continue button to start on basically new operating system. So here it is showing, this is the welcome screen. It is just the tutorial, you can skip it. If you press the continue button, it will show you like what are the changes or how what are the new features, something like that it is trying to show us. Then press the continue button again. So this is the last screen, and after that very shortly you will see the welcome screen. So this is the welcome screen of latest like beta version of Mac operating system, which is coming very few days later. Then there is a get started button, and this is the final step to access our latest operating system, the beta macOS operating system, which is macOS 26. I'm going to click here, and here it will take few seconds, like 10 seconds to 20 seconds to load, and then you can close this thing, and here you go. So this is the thing, which is basically we upgraded our Mac operating system, and this is the basically beta version. Still this is not live, but if you sign up the beta program, then you are only able to download this and install it. Now if you click general software update, we'll see the details. So here it is showing this is the 26 macOS 26 public beta, right? And here automatic update is turned on, something like that. And now we can close it, and we can check whether how smooth it is. So I opened Finder. Here is the Finder, and let's click the applications, and here I see all the list of applications which is already installed. It is taking some time for the first time when I started loading this thing, and here I see all these are the install applications which I have right now after installation of this beta version of macOS 26. We can close it, we can open Safari to check, and this is the Safari, we can close it. So, and if we want to access some other settings, we can actually check from there, and some other icons are there. And if we go to Finder, so let's check. If we want to, if we hold Command Shift H key, then we'll find basically all these things like desktop folder, documents folder, downloads folder, movie, music, picture, this everything. And that's it. In this way we can easily download and install the future coming version of macOS, which is like beta version. And once we start installation, we can finish very shortly, and after that we can use it.